Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to add stickers on Capcut. So without delaying any more time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to Capcut. At the top left corner of the screen here, you can see the option called Media. From there, you'll find this option called stickers. After 1 2 3 4, the fourth option from the media, tap onto stickers. So after clicking on media, you will find an option of these stickers. Here are thousands of stickers, free and also paid. So now you can add stickers from there. Once you move your mouse and over click on that icon, it will open up a library of various stickers here, moving animations and all kinds of fun elements that come built into the Capcut software. From there you can scroll through the process, like you can just choose the stickers you want to add, tap onto that, hold it, and you can just bring it up here and it will be added to your screen right here. Now you can adjust it from here, like if you want it to adjust like to the bottom or up, left, right, well, anywhere you want to just customize it, you can do it very easily. So if you click on a sticker, it will give you a short preview of what it look like in your project using the preview window. That way you can see how it looks before adding or editing it. To add a sticker, just click and drag it into your timeline. So just as I mentioned you earlier, that's it. You can now resize, move and adjust its shape easily. And to confirm the savings like editings, you have to tap onto this option called export. Tap onto that option and now you will good to go. So that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Let's see you in the next video.